Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening sound settings directly from the taskbar. This gets you to the controls without extra menus. Right-click the speaker icon and pick Sound Settings, then check that your desired playback device is set as default. Once done, open Advanced Sound Options to see per app volumes and device assignments. This prevents mistakes when apps play to the wrong output. Make sure to keep the window visible because you will use its controls in the next step. Now focus on the selected playback device and reset its properties to resolve common issues. You click Device Properties and Use Test to verify sound. If output is silent, open Additional Device Properties and go to the Advanced tab. Choose Restore Defaults to revert custom sample rates or exclusive mode changes because those often break audio. If you see Enhancements tab, disable all enhancements. They can distort or mute sound. Once adjusted, test again to confirm progress before moving on. Finish by syncing app-level volumes and running tools to catch lingering issues. Open the volume mixer or advanced sound options and set each app to the correct output and reasonable volume. This prevents one app from silencing others. If audio still fails, run the built-in Playing Audio Troubleshooter because it automates checks of drivers and services. Make sure to restart Windows Audio Services or reboot if changes don't apply. This often clears locked resources and restores normal sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.